Hi, Janice Winward here with Midnight Arts. Tonight I'm going to do another one of those ghost pours. They're just so much fun. And I'm using Extreme Sheen Silver. It does not have silicone in it. DecoArt Extreme Sheen Silver mixed with Obsidian. It does not have silicone in it. And Master's Touch Titanium White with no silicone. And Master's Touch Permanent Black, which I believe does have silicone in it. Okay. Oh, this is going to be a circle one. So I'll probably end up doing a balloon smash in the middle. I don't know that I have a balloon anymore. My balloon deflated. Because I have such a hard time with the middles of circle pour things. Okay. I'm not sure I like that. I think I would like them to go all the way to the edge a little bit better. Ooh. Scoop that one onto the floor. Let's see if I can get a thinner one here. Ooh, I scooped that one all the way down to the cap, to the... I might have swiped everything off that time. It's not doing much, not getting a whole lot of reaction in there. A little bit starting in here, kind of in that white, but the rest of it's not doing a whole lot. It's still kind of pretty. Oh, that just doesn't want to come off of there. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back and join me again soon. Please subscribe, like, and share. And most importantly, please have a great night. Okay, here's this one, mostly dry. Well, obviously, oh, now looking at it in the camera, it looks really wet. But it's winter time now, so I'm going to have to start giving them a little bit longer time to dry, I guess. Let's see if I can get that out. And then, oops. And then here's the first one I did, because I didn't show it at the end of the first video. And it is still wet in spots also. So, okay. Thank you so much for watching, and please have a great night.